Hello everyone, myself Ami Mehta, and here we discuss what is flowchart in programming language, okay, particular for C programming. So, a type of diagram that represent an algorithm, workflow or process to solve problem. Okay, so we have to solve particular problem. For that problem, we write steps, which is actually algorithm, but that steps or algorithm we represent in a diagram form. That is nothing but the flowchart. So logic is same in algorithm and flowchart, but the representation is different. In algorithm it is in written form, and in flowchart it is in diagram. So a flowchart is a graphical representation of a process. Each step in the process is represented by a different symbol and contains a short description of the process. So each step in the process is represented by different symbols. So let us discuss common flowchart symbols. So these are the various flowchart symbols for start and end, for input output, for process, for decision and flow. So let us take it one by one. This step is particularly for start and end process. This is for input output. This symbol is representing particular process or operation. This symbol is for particular decision. And this arrow is particularly show the flow of the process. Okay, so let us discuss one example to clear this how it is working. So this is the example of find whether given number is even or odd. Okay, so how actually we can find this? We can find from modulo operation. If modulo by 2 is 0, then it is even number. If not, then it is odd number. Okay, so this is the symbol of start. Then what we actually do, we read number. If that number modulo by 2 is equal to 0, so this is the decision symbol. So here we write is number modulo 2 is equal to 0. If it is yes, it means the number is even. But if it is no, which means that number is odd. And at the end, we go to stop. So in flowchart, we have to remember just 3 to 4 symbols, and we can easily draw flowchart for particular problem. So let us discuss another example for flowchart. Okay, so here the problem is find maximum number from given two numbers. Okay, so what in every flowchart it is start from this start symbol and stop from this stop symbol. Okay, so it is compulsory in all the flowchart where whatever the problem is. Okay, so first what we do, we read A and B. So this is input. Now we check condition, is A greater than B? If yes, then print A is maximum, and if it is no, then print B is maximum. So at the end, after any of the operation, it is go to stop. So for example, A is 20 and B is 12. So what happened, that 20 is greater than B? Yes, then it is go to in this flow and print A is maximum and go to stop. If A is 12 and B is 20, then what happen? A is not greater than B, then it is go to no part and print B is maximum and then finally go to stop. Okay, so this is the how you can make flowchart for any of the problem. Okay, thank you.